And we begin with the fight against Omicron. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ron Trevino.
And I'm Mia Gradney with you this evening. The big news out of Washington today, President Biden laying out his plans confronting Omicron. It includes more testing sites across the country, the distribution of 500,000 at-home tests, and the deployment of more resources for hospitals. Ahead of his announcement, CVS and Walgreens said they would set purchase limits on at-home tests because the demand is so high.
And late today, Memorial Hermann Hospital became the latest hospital to suspend its use of popular antibody therapies to treat COVID. Jason Miles is standing by live to tell us why. Jason.
Hey there, Rania. A number of area hospitals are suspending those treatments. We understand the man believed to be the first Omicron-related fatality here in Harris County and perhaps across the country the first, was on an antibody treatment, but he was not vaccinated. Moments before her appearance at this Monday news conference, Harris County Judge Lena Hidalgo got a disheartening phone call from the county's public health director.
We just had our first Omicron-related death, a man in his 50s.
Today, that Precinct 2 resident who had underlying medical conditions is believed to be the first such death in the nation.
Was not vaccinated.
Hidalgo said the man was being treated with Regeneron, one of a number of monoclonal antibodies, or MCAs, used to treat specific COVID strains like the Delta variant, especially in patients with medical issues that make vaccines less effective.
This is not a substitute for the vaccine.
Dr. Linda Yancey is an infectious disease specialist with Memorial Hermann and says MCAs presently used are not effective against Omicron. In a statement, the hospital said in part, quote, "Since these MCA therapies are not effective against the Omicron variant, which is now the dominant strain in our region, like many other health systems, we have suspended these MCA therapies and are unable to accept new referrals at this time."
A lot of people who get these monoclonals do all right, but a lot of them still end up in the hospital, still end up severely ill, and unfortunately still die.
Yancey anticipates a more effective MCA to be available soon, also seen as a complement to vaccines and not a replacement.
It is very important. If you are not vaccinated, you need to get vaccinated as soon as possible. If it's been 6 months since your second dose, please go and get that booster.
And in addition to Memorial Hermann, I heard today from Houston Methodist Hospital as well as St. Luke's Healthcare. They too are temporarily suspending these antibody treatments until a better, more effective version against Omicron is available. It's a decision HCA Healthcare previously made. And you can see statements from all of the healthcare systems on KHOU.com. In Houston, Jason Miles, KHOU 11 News. Mia?
Things fluid with the treatment as it all changes. Jason Miles, thank you.